Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explain whether you can use a gift card without activating it and guide you step by step. Step 1. Understand the type of gift card you have. Most physical gift cards purchased in stores require activation at the point of sale. Digital gift cards are usually activated automatically when purchased online. Step 2. Check the back of your physical gift card or the email for digital cards. Look for instructions regarding activation, which may include a website, phone number, or a note that the card must be activated before use. Step 3. Attempting to use an unactivated card will usually result in a declined transaction. Most retailers and online stores will not process a purchase until the card is activated and has an available balance. Step 4. If your card is not activated, follow the activation process. For physical cards, this may involve calling a number or visiting the issuer's website. For digital cards, ensure the purchase was completed and the card code is valid. Step 5. Once activated, check the balance. This ensures the funds are available and the card can be used for purchases without issues. Step 6. Keep your card information and activation confirmation safe. Using an activated card guarantees a smooth shopping experience both online and in store. Step 7. Remember that activation is a necessary step for almost all gift cards. Skipping it will prevent usage and may cause delays in making purchases. That's it. Following these steps ensures your gift card is properly activated and ready to use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy and helpful step-by-step guides.